Hi, my name is Wakar. I am a student of TLC Intermediate Level. You asked me, how was my experience in TLC Intermediate Level so far? Well, if you ask me, it was really very good. I mean, it was always challenging, you know. It was never hard, as most students always think about TLC Intermediate Level. Frankly speaking, this level is obviously very informative. You usually come in front of your class very often in a week to perform. It is absolutely not surprising. Well, it depends upon your preparation. Sometimes, I get nervous. And I hardly ever give up. I know, making new mistakes is always good. In the end, I must say, you need to work hard. Really hard in this level. You must come to TLC every day. You must not be late. You have to pay full attention in your class. You don't need to speak or do. You have to focus. I know, you know good English. You needn't worry about your progress. Just you must practice everything you learn every day. Have good learning in TLC.